Hi guys, welcome back to Drawing Land for Kids, and today we're going to be drawing a Mother's Day vase with some flowers. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to be using a pencil because I'm going to be erasing some lines, but you can use whatever you have at home. Let's go ahead and get started. The first thing you want to do is draw a oval shape right on your paper, just like this. Don't worry about it not being perfect. We can always go in and change it. Then we're going to draw a curved line going all the way down. And same thing on the other side. Draw a curved line going all the way down. If this video is too fast for you, you guys can always pause and follow along at your own pace. Next, I'm going to go to the bottom and draw a curved line, just like this. When you're ready, let's go ahead and put a cute bow in the center of our flower vase. We're going to draw a circle, followed by a triangular shape right over here for the bow, and do the same thing on the other side. And now we're going to draw a curved line going to one side of the vase and another curved line right below, and do the same thing on the other side. Make sure it's curved so it looks like it's going around the vase. When you're ready, let's add the little folds in the bow. I'm just adding 2 short lines. And now we're ready for the flowers. Let's go ahead and draw a curved line going out, followed by another curved line for the stem. And for the flower, we're going to draw a circular shape, oval shape. And I like to go in and for the center, I'd like to go in and add some circles, just to give it some extra detail. When you're ready, we're going to, again, draw a triangular shape for the petal, and then a curved line at the end. Again, draw a triangular shape with a curved end. And continue that all the way around. When you're ready, go inside each of your petals and draw 2 short lines coming from the center. Now we need a leaf. Let's go in and draw a curved line here, and curved line here, and curved line here. I'm going to go inside my leaf and add some more detail. I'm adding a curved line followed by the veins, just like a letter V. Now let's go ahead and draw another flower. I'm going to draw mine on a curve right here. Start by drawing the stem, oval in the center, add the details. And if it helps, you can start by drawing a light circular shape, and that can be your guide for knowing where to add your petals. Just like the other flower, I'm going to go in and add my petals, making sure that the ends are curved, just like that. When you're ready, add the lines coming out from the center for a more realistic look. Now I'm going in and I'm going to add a curved leaf coming out, just like this. And I'm also going to add a smaller leaf on this side. Go inside and add the veins. I'm going to use my eraser for this leaf and erase the lines inside of that. You can also erase the little lines inside your stems. And I'm going to add details in my leaf. When you're ready, let's go ahead and add another flower right over here, curving the stem. Now I'm going to go in and draw that general shape for my flower. Circle for the middle, followed by some tiny details in the center. Now let's go ahead and draw our petals. And one more. When you're ready, go ahead and add the lines coming out from the center. It's starting to look beautiful. Now we're going to add a small little leaf right here. And I'd like to add a bigger leaf on this side using two curved lines. When you're ready, go inside your leaf and add some veins to make it look more realistic. I'm going to add maybe one more leaf over here. You can add as many leaves as you want or as many flowers as you want. Let's go ahead and add one more flower. Try to get your stem in between these flowers, and we're going to go behind the leaf here and add one more flower. Oval. Followed by petals coming out from the center. And our lines coming out. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I will be back with the colored version. Hi guys, here's the final colored in version. I used the alcohol markers. You guys can use anything you have. I hope you guys enjoyed. Happy Mother's Day, and if you like this video, please subscribe and like for more.